agent literally makes videos for me using Deepseek. So Deepseek is 96% cheaper, and this agent, you could see the video it makes.
Working on naming conventions for the backtest code outputs, adding.
It made me, I don't know how many videos, but you can see them all here. They're all based off of different.
Looks for rates above set threshold, uses AI to evaluate.
I'm using 11 labs here as well. So you can see how many videos it created. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, like 50, 100 more, 100 or more. I don't know. You can see them all here. All of the code is in GitHub too, which is fire. So all of these videos have been created. That's what we built just right now. And I show you all the code, dude. In the past couple of videos, and here's how you get the code. It's all in this GitHub here. It's in the source right here. So you go to the source here and you can see the video agent. So agents here, this is the video agent here. It's all in Python. There's a ton of different other AI agents here as well, but you can see all of the code here. So I'll show you everything, how it works here in this video, but you can see all the other agents as well. We got the base agent, we got the CoinGecko agent, we got the copybot agent, we got the focus agent, the funding ARB agent, the liquidation agent, the newer top agent, the RBI agent, the risk agent, the sentiment agent. We have the tweet agent that actually works with the video agent in order to take text and make it tweets and then turn it into a video. So you can strap in and watch me build all of these videos out with my AI agent today. It's so sick, bro. You can get all of this code by just hitting star here. This saves all the code, and then fork it. Fork it copies all the code. And how do you get there? Well, you just go to moondev.com. Everybody asks me, hey, how do you automate your trading? How do you do this, that? It's all shown here in this roadmap here. So you get the roadmap, the Discord, and the GitHub here. And you can go here and you see here, this is the roadmap to automate your trading. So get all your questions answered. The Discord here, and then also the AI agents for trading. This is where you get now. I know we built agent here today. That's because I believe code is great equalizer, and I show every little piece of my automated trading journey on the internet, end up being like 5 hours long. I understand not everybody could have the privilege to, so I agent for trading because I believe code's a great equalizer, and I'm working on the hardest game in the world, and I show it every single day here, free in it. Again, they're low. I build an agent that can grow of different is, but in it, so video hours into it, and you can
rest at that. Keep pushing forward. Have all the keep building. Figure it out.
Oh, you can
forget about giving you how to build.
Pretty. It uses a raw video.
It's processing, but
all using 11 and it, dude. So you can get all dev.code map, everything you need. It's all these codes right here, and you're Gucci. Deepseek is really it's because AI agent 7, and the entire time it's like that do or i7 360 experience and agentic number of 3 RBI agent reagents loads those back debug code. He does is be to 100 develop on their fire. But is that scalable for the whole world? No, absolutely not. 50 to 100 a day? No way. There's no way. But now Deepseek is 96% cheaper. So we bring that 50 to 100 a day down to, it's 4% of the cost. From $50 to $2. Okay. $2 a day to have AI agents running 24/7. You got me there, dude. Oh, damn, the CCP, they get all our data, but they already have all our data, dude, in my opinion. And my data ain't that hot anyways. I'm nothing. I'm just here vibing out, building, bro. They got me on the Xiaomi watch, dude. They probably got me on these Apple MacBooks. They got me on the Samsung. It's okay. I'm sharing my data. From taking it from $50 a day for AI agent flows, dude, to $2 a day, that makes it essential to use Deepseek. I'm sorry, we have to. We have to. The scary part is it going to be here forever? Our website is currently under maintenance. AKA, did you just put a block up to us, US folk? Did you get us going and then you just rug pulled us? I hope not. I know it's only 7:45, 7:54 in the morning. Not even on the East Coast, so you can see here, dude. This is sketch. This is sketch. But it's the only way. It's the only way to run these AI flows, dude. Or run them locally. Okay, there's another way. Boom. I thought of another way. Boom. Just like that. So if you have the hardware in order to do that, you can do that. I don't personally have the hardware for that, but I would like to know. Deepseek run locally, computer needed. So right now, it's super cheap. So I'm running it through the cloud, but as you can see here, I'm not able to get to the cloud anymore. Hopefully it's really just down. If it is down, that's awesome. We're going to keep it pushing. If it's not down, let's go to Deepseek, GitHub, and fully open reproduction of Deepseek R1. So we can get fully open reproduction of Deepseek R1 through Hugging Face. Okay, a fully open reproduction of Deepseek R1. This repo is a work in progress. The goal of this repo is to build the missing pieces of the R1 pipeline such that everyone can produce and build on top of it. Okay, but also Grok R1. Never used Grok, but let's go ahead and watch this real quick.
Si quieres poner tu casa en Airbnb,
because this is
pero
another
no quieres
alternative.
andar
In
con
case this is
rodeos,
true and they're rugging us today, I don't think so, but after
busca
what
un
happened
fiel
yesterday,
compañero.
maybe.
Grok has just added their first racing model to their platform. Deepseek R1 Distill Llama 70B is now available. I'm just going to quickly show you a demo of what I plugged into an application that I built. Here is just a follow-up question. You can select Deepseek from the model dropdown and you can ask it whatever you like. Tag, and then you'll see the entertaining to read. If you have a model that has 600, they also released this Deepseek.
Okay, so
which is
I think the way I would do it, dude.
Requests per minute at 100. What I didn't quite see yet is the pricing. When I went to check that out, I saw that it isn't quite available yet, but in terms of the rate limits, so I'm on their paid tier, and right now at time of recording, it's showing requests per minute at 100, 50,000 requests per day, as well as 30,000 tokens per minute. These numbers will vary account to account, but otherwise, kudos to the team at Grok for the great work as always. Let me know what you're going to be.
All right, for me, like if this goes down, dude, shout out to this guy, by the way. If this goes down, subscribe. You should probably do the same if you enjoy this stuff. But if this goes down, dude, if we can't get direct access to Deepseek, I already explained why I have to use it. It's $50 a day down to 2. 50 to 2 over the course of a year. Come on, bro. I don't care how much cash you got, dude. $50 to $2. That's 96% savings, dude. Come on. I hope it's not down. If it is down, I'm going to Grok. Grok has access to it. My agent should still be working here. As you can see, I have the focus agent here. And we built this other listing arbitrage agent here. So let's go ahead and run it and see if our Deepseek's still working. So this is a listing arbitrage. It's looking for tokens that have high volume but are not on big exchanges yet. We live, bro. What up, dude? What up, Alexa? And you can see, okay, perfect. So detailed analysis here. Agent 1, detailed analysis is do nothing. So this is working. And I can prove that. Let's go to the cursor here. Let's make sure it's Deepseek, dude. Dude, we built so many agents yesterday. I just spazzed out yesterday and built 3 agents. I'll show you all of them here in a second, but let's go ahead and make sure that this one's using DeepSeek. I am quite sure it is. This is the listing arbitrage agent, the listing arb agent. And all of this is on my GitHub. Go to moondev.com to get the GitHub. You can see this is using DeepSeek chat. Perfect. So what I do now is I just put all of my code on GitHub because I believe code is a great equalizer. So go to moondev.com and you're going to get
This
everything.
what God feel like. Yeah.
On moondev.com, I have a roadmap. Everybody's always asking me, hey, Moondev, how do you automate your trading? Do you have a roadmap or anything like that? Free roadmap? Yes, I do. It's a free roadmap. Also, I have a Discord, so you can be around other people that are doing the same thing, including myself. And then also the GitHub. So that moondev.com is going to take you here. You can get the roadmap, see exactly how to automate your trading, frequently asked questions, answer every single question you have. And then down here at the AI agents for trading, you can get to the GitHub, dude. And the GitHub's here, dude. And this is where I put all the code every day. So all you got to do is hit star. If you hit star, that saves. It's like a bookmarking of your GitHub, of my GitHub. And everything I update, if you hit the fork button, then you get all the updates. So imagine like you hit fork, it's copy. And then every time I update it, you get that update, but it's not going to mess up your code. So it's pretty sick. I try to go slow here with this GitHub part because I'm new to GitHub and I think it's intimidating as well. But the README is really where it's at. You learn everything in the README. Just read through the README. You'll understand exactly where I'm at and the agents that we've created. We've built a trading agent. We built a strategy agent. We built a risk agent. We've built a copy bot agent. We've built a whale agent. We've built a sentiment agent. We've built a listing arbitrage agent, which you just saw. The focus agent is listening to every single word that I have, dude. Every single word that I say. And it's making sure that I'm staying on focus. I'm stepping on the gas, dude. We got the funding agent. This monitors to see when the funding rate changes. We got the liquidation agent. See when people are getting liquidated. We got the chart agent. We got the funding rate arbitrage agent. We got the RBI agent. We got the Twitter agent, and we got the video agent. So now we can make tweets. We can make tweets with these agents, dude. This is so fire. We got the video agent. We got the new or top tokens agent, dude. Fire, fire, fire. Let's go ahead and run that newer top tokens agent ASAP because she's going to be twerking for us too. So you can see this one is recommending thing, and I'm going to let it run one full time. And then I'm going to go to Conda, activate, T-flow, and then I'm going to go ahead and run that newer top agent here, copy path here. And you can see I tried to write out what it does. You know, quick start here. Super easy to do. This agent goes through and analyzes all of the new tokens that have been listed in CoinGecko, and then also analyzes the top movers of the last 24 hours on CoinGecko, and then makes recommendations based off that data. Okay, so let's go ahead and add that. Git commit agent approval agent new or top agent. Git push. Okay. All right, sick, dude. Let's get it. So you know where to get the code now. You're all caught up to speed with me. I'm sorry, but this is the year of the agent, so I'm not going to be explaining too much. You can read everything I've built so far in this GitHub, and you'll understand everything. You got a quick start guide. The key is to just star the repo, dude, so you see everything, and then fork it so you copy it, dude. Come on. Let's go. It's time. Star fork, and then all of the code is in here. You can get totally up to speed with these docs, dude. If you click the docs, open these videos, and you'll see absolutely every line of code. Every single line of code that I create, dude, you get to see it all here, and you get to fully understand where we're at, where we're going, what we've done. And this will allow you to build absolutely anything you want with AI agents. And I truly believe right now, at least, and I will change my mind if needed. Right now, Deepseek is the only way. It's 96% cheaper. I hope OpenAI drops something that levels the playing field. I don't care what models we use. And they were laughing at us for building wrappers. But really, the rappers are the only things that have value, dude. The AI doesn't matter anymore. OpenAI, Deepseek, Anthropic. I'm sorry, you guys are the commodity. And that's good. They can be the oil. They can be the oil. But they're going to fight. They're going to fight. They're going to spend billions and billions of dollars to fight to have the fastest, best, cheapest AI for us, for the developers out here. That's why I'm a developer, dude. I wasn't a developer in the past. I just learned how to code 4 years ago. I was scared my whole life. I've been in tech for 15 years, bro. And I was scared to learn how to code. I've shipped so many things, bro. I've ran up so many checks, dude, off this tech stuff, dude. And I was so scared to learn how to code this entire time. It's crazy, dude. But I had to learn how to code. I had to learn how to code in order to automate my trading. I was watching these charts go up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down, dude. All over the place. Chasing, getting scared, etc., bro. Stop it. It's not meant for humans. It's not meant for humans. Trading by hand is not the way to go. So I had to stop that. I had to stop that. It was too emotional. You can see the price here. The one catch is the context length is lower. So I feel like that's the catch. So we have my new or top tokens agent almost running here. So let's just go ahead and run it, copy path. I just wanted to explain it to you and show you where you can get it. It's all free. I believe code's a great equalizer. That's why I share this stuff. People think it's too good to be true. Probably is. You know, I probably won't be here forever. So you can see it's fetching the top gainers, and then it just got all the top gainers on CoinGecko. You can see all of them. And now it's going to go through and just be my eyes on the street, dude. It's just going to be my eyes on the street. I do need to build that eventually, actually. So I'm going to put that in the README. README, build a flow to run these agents every 24 hours, like the new or top agent, the other one we were running as well here. Let's go ahead and check it out. The listing ARB agent. The listing ARB agent, etc. Okay, so those are some agents that I want to run every day. Get add dot git commit /m, and I'm gonna say agent updates, git push. Okay, so perfect. So okay, dude, so you know everything. You know where to get the code. You're locked. I'm locked. I gave you a good enough intro. That was a good intro, right? You understand what we're doing? Free roadmap, Discord, GitHub, so you can get caught up to speed, answer all your questions, ask around in the chat if you want. I'll chat here and there. I am locked, though, and I got to stay locked because the lights are on. I'm at 904 requests, dude. I better, if I don't have to upgrade today, I did not work hard enough. That, to me, that makes sure that validates my work. You know, it's like, okay, Moon's actually working today because he used 200 credits. I've never hit it. I've never hit it, dude. I've never hit it. I'm trying to, dude. I'm trying to. I'm trying to, bro. I'm trying to. All right, so let's keep it moving, bro. Let's keep it moving. All right. 777, dude. 777. Much love to you. All right, let's keep it pushing, bro. Let's keep it pushing, bro. So you can see this looks like my wallet here. I do need to check in on that. because it looks like it hasn't been making moves. So it's probably out of Solana. It is. You do you. I knew it. 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 It's all good though. Fix that. Because I've been watching it make moves, but it's been airing out. So that was my bad. So I'm just gonna run my refund tool, and I'm also gonna get a little more. Let's see if I can find my copy bot here. My copy bot is my Solana copy bot, and it has
Make
this
a
refund
choice,
tool.
right? You just decide what it's going to be, who you're going to be, how you're going to do it. Just decide. And then from that point, the universe is going to get out your way. It's like it's water. It wants
like
to
water.
it wants to move and go
move,
around
yeah.
stuff, you know.
Yeah. It just wants to move and go around stuff. It's not trying to slow you down, dude. The universe is like water. It's like water, dude. Just go where you want to go. You ain't gotta listen to your mama no more, dog. You can do what you want to do. You ain't gotta do what your family says. No way. You just do what you want to do. That's what life is, bro. That's what life is. So I'm about to go lock down the chat real quick just to make sure that no big dogs come up in here and try to pull me down today. You gotta be a subscriber to chat with me, dude. You gotta be a subscriber to chat with me. Okay, so I want to go ahead and play with my actually video agent real quick. So this agent's pretty cool. This is a fun one. This isn't necessarily trading specific, but it's a good way to get my ideas that I have here in a shorter format. And I think that is very beneficial. I believe code's a great equalizer, so I got to keep moving that way to get this to more people. You know, I've I make enough. I make enough off my trading, dude, that I don't need to be a billionaire off this. I would rather help 10,000 people become millionaires, you know? So I don't know. That's my play. I wanna show you guys everything while I'm getting my things done. You know, I'm not gonna waste time up here. I'm not gonna waste time. I'm always gonna be building towards my crazy algo trading goal that I won't share with you. I don't need to share my goal with people because you don't want to share your goals with people that don't understand, because all they're gonna be is like, oh, you can't do that, or oh, that's too hard, or oh, I tried that. It's like, don't listen to nobody, dude. Be a data dog. Be a data dog and just figure it out yourself. If it works, it works. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. So, anyways, I'm going to keep attacking my crazy goals. I'm not going to tell you what my goals are, dude, but they are very absolutely crazy when it comes to algo trading. So every day I'm going to work towards that, and I'm going to show you everything along the way. That's what we do here around 8 a.m. Eastern. So clock in. I get a lot of people complaining about my videos being too long, though. So, you know, dude, I'm not a YouTube creator. I'm not here to make videos, dude. I just want to bring some of y'all with me. Okay, so I'm gonna make them shorter for those cats that they don't want to watch these long videos. They're not gonna make it, but hopefully a couple of them will be like, okay, I'll buy in now. And I know his videos are long, but he shows absolutely everything. So I made this agent here that will go ahead and make videos for me. They're gonna be short videos, like 10 to 15 seconds. They're gonna take pieces out of these videos. So you can see here, dude, all I gotta do is throw in one of these videos, my videos, go to Moondev. I throw in one of these videos and it'll make short videos for me. So I do want to make a couple updates here. So input file. Raw vid directory. Okay, so this is what I want to do. I want to run this first off. Just gonna run it. It's gonna skip a bunch of them. I got a bunch of duplicates, and you can see here it's gonna output these videos here in the data folder. These videos are slick, bro. They're not like absolutely amazing, but
AI keeps getting cheaper and better, and it's exciting to see how far it's come. Automating the repetitive stuff is the next step, and it's crazy to think about.
yep, there we go. And then I'm gonna start renaming these because AI just keeps getting cheaper and cheaper. Thank you, Deepseek. Okay, that's a solid video, so I'll just save that one.
Automated trading is getting cheaper and faster thanks to Deepseek. Their AI model is a side project from a quant firm in China, and it's changing the game. Check out the roadmap and GitHub for everything you need to get started.
So I'm just writing little titles here because then I can understand what these are.
Automating trading with AI agents is the future. If you're curious, check out the roadmap at mv.com. It's all there. Discord, GitHub, and the tools to get started. Let's keep building and improving.
So you can see these green ones are just dropping new videos on me, dude. I don't want to use this one. Do I delete it? No, because then that's the question. I'm trying to think through this workflow, dude.
Automate your trading with a proven bot system backed by real data and thousands of hours of research. No overnight billionaires here, just a framework I use to manage my own portfolio. Step up, join the Algo Trade Camp, and let's make it happen.
Okay, so automate your trading, but you won't become an overnight billionaire.
Automating trading isn't about downloading someone else's bot. It's about building your own. Learn to code, test strategies, and create bots that work for you. That's how you avoid scams and build real cash flow.
So automating your trading isn't about downloading somebody else's bot. I think this is the one that we don't do.
Automating trading with AI agents is the future. If you're curious, check out the roadmap at mv.com. It's all there. Back end's doing its thing, but the front end keeps crashing. Logs show it's processing, but the output files aren't showing up. Got to keep pushing through and figure this out.
These bugs be killing me, man.
ByteDance just open sourced a tool to control your computer with AI. It's free, lightweight, and takes 2 minutes to set up. Open source AI is moving fast, and it's exciting to see what's next.
So ByteDance dropped an open source model. That's
Automating trading with AI agents is the future. If you're roadmap at mv.com.
okay. We're done with this one actually, so that's awesome to see. How do I do this workflow? That's one thing I'm really thinking about today is how do I get this done quickly? Input text file, tweets 10, 950, 940 here. So the way I'm doing this, dude, is I'm going from my tweets. Real. These aren't like I made these tweets. The AI made these tweets, but the thing is it made these tweets video. So like go copy this path, run it again. Video agent off of another AI based off of my gets heat, dude. It's like I thought long absolutely everything. I get people dragging me all day. Your videos are too long. My time is too valuable, bro. You ain't gotta watch my videos. But for all those little hoes out there that need shorter videos, I understand. And it's probably you because we all need shorter videos. I don't like long videos either. That's why I'm doing it, dog. Okay, so let's run it back because we got a new input text and it will skip any that is created already. So it's just making videos for me. This video agent is just popping all day. And then I'm going through it and I'm just making the like titles pretty much. It already makes good titles, but oh snap, dude. That's another
10
thing.
error analyzing focus.
What happened? What was the error? Recommendation here. Do nothing. What was the error? Error in value. Okay, we got 8. Okay, other ones are fine. So this is my focus agent that makes sure that I'm staying focused, locked all day, dude. So I'm gonna keep him down here. That's the drill sergeant.
Percent of manual traders lose money. I want to help you break free from that cycle. Join the Algo Trade Camp and learn how to build bots that trade for you so you can focus on what really matters.
95% of traders lose money. Okay, so what else we got here? So these are just outputting the agents just running here, just making new videos.
Automated trading is a grind, but Mood.com's free roadmap makes it easier. Learn to code, build bots, and use AI. It's all there.
I'm not gonna use that one.
Automating trading with AI agents is the future.
Tan cagao, tengo un rifle nuevo que ni lo he tocado. Los fraternos son los peines que tengo tepeado.
Tools to get started. Let's keep building and improving. Automating your trading doesn't have to be complicated. I've spent 1,200 plus hours creating free tutorials to help you get started. If you're ready to take it seriously, check out the Algo Trade Camp. VIP gets lifetime access and weekly
To be complicated.
Birdie changed their API calls
Birdie.
and moved the USD value column. Now I have to call the price for each token.
So I'm not gonna use all of these.
Building a front end for an RBI agent with Fast2Pi. User inputs links, gets backtest results, and can download strategies, keeping it fun with a rotating moon in the terminal.
I think I might just start deleting these, to be honest. I think I'm gonna delete them because that'll be better. Just delete them. The ones that I don't want, at least.
Automated trading bots can change the game if you're willing to put in the work. It's not about overnight success, but building systems that work for you over time.
So automated trading will only work for super hungry people.
Automated trading isn't about gambling. It's about building a provable edge. Jim Simons made billions with bots, and you can too. Start small, test rigorously, and let the bots do the work. It's all puissant.
Automated trading is about building proven edge, not gambling.
Automating trading doesn't have to be complicated. My RBI framework, research, backtest, implement helps you build bots that work. I've made hundreds of thousands with this system, and I'll teach you step by step, even if you don't know how to code.
Really doesn't have to be complicated.
Automated trading isn't about luck, it's about patterns. Jim Simons built a 31-beater fortune with bots. The key? Research, backtest, and deploy. If you're serious about trading, automation is the way. Automating your trading isn't about luck, it's about building, testing, and deploying strategies. One good bot can change everything. The key is research, backtesting, and implementation. Success is repeatable if you follow the process.
It isn't luck.
Automating your trading starts with 3 steps. Build great trading ideas, test them in the past, and deploy them with small size. If you can do this, success is repeatable. It's called the RBI framework: research, backtest, implement.
These are fire, dude. These are fucking fire. I mean, for AI, let's be real.
Building a system where AI agents learn trading strategies from YouTube videos, PDFs, or written inputs. They backtest to see if it's profitable. Small steps toward big gains.
Big gains, B. So funny. Big gains, B. Real big gains.
Building on APIs can be risky. They can cut you off at any moment, but sometimes you have to for speed. Just keep pushing even when
Building on APIs is so sketch.
building out a Deepseek model for the RBI agent today. Adapting existing code to use Deepseek instead of OpenAI. Goal is to simplify and document the process clearly. Built a trading bot framework that's made me hundreds of thousands. If you're serious about trading, I'll show you how to automate it and take the emotion out of the game. No gimmicks, just results.
No gimmicks, just results.
Built an AI agent flow for trading that researches, backtests, and codes strategies. Debugging was the bottleneck, but with Deepseek's cost efficiency, it's now way more accessible. All the code is on GitHub for anyone to use. Chatbox is a clean, privacy-focused desktop interface for AI models. It's free, easy to set up, and works with most models. Considering switching from Repet to Heroku for hosting, Repet costs $25 a month and isn't as easy as expected. Heroku might be more.
Move to trash.
Debugging a deployment issue with the RBI agent, trying to figure out if I need the Anthropic key or if Deepseek is enough. Running into some weird errors with fast API and requirements fixed. Debugging a form submission issue where it's using a get debugging and push said can't walk, just keep it pushing. Discipline is like you the key. Debugs and puts show results and progress is problem is a lot new fold S for and the ability existing having fast vision
Fixes loading
agent and tweaking the research audition front run the focus the grind the AI is pursuing AI not better. It's a game especially with them frame saving sane. Deepseek integration makes the RBI agent more efficient and cost-effective. It researches, codes, backtests, and outputs strategies, though some fine-tuning is still needed for accuracy.
Deepseek AI changed the game for my agents.
Deepseek is 10x cheaper than other options, making it a no-brainer for anyone looking to save while still getting solid performance. It's hard not to use it when the
No-brainer, dude.
Deepseek is 99% cheaper than OpenAI and just as good, making it the go-to for AI agents in trading. It's fast, efficient, and now the default for most of my Deepseek is being used for data processing, and it's pretty neat. Pricing is 27 cents per million tokens with a special discount. Open source and efficient, it's a solid choice for handling large data sets.
Deepseek now has all my data and I'm okay with it.
Deepseek is helping with the liquidation agent and risk agent updates. Massive long liquidations detected up 142%. AI suggests nothing with 50% confidence. Still debugging some API response issues.
Okay, I think that's plenty, right?
Deepseek R1 is a game changer, open source, 30x cheaper, and almost as good as O1. Running it on consumer hardware feels like playing with alien minds. The AI race is heating up.
Has
Deepseek R1 shows that restricting access to AI is nearly impossible. You can run a frontier model on a USB stick and it's getting faster on consumer hardware. Open source AI is here to stay, and it
He had a great quote that said, "Rest at the end, not in the middle." And that's something I always live by. You know, I'm not going to rest. I'm going to keep on pushing now. There are a lot of answers that I don't have, even questions that I don't have. But I'm just going to keep going.
I'm just gonna
Just
keep
gonna
going.
and I'll figure these things out as we go, right? And you just continue to build that way. So I try to live by that all the time.
Rest at the end.
Rest at the end.
Rest at the end. Rest at the end, dude. So we just had this video agent here. It's using DeepSeek, dude. I'm only using DeepSeek now, bro. You thought I was capping about this? No way. No way. No way, dude. Video agent. Okay, input file here. You can see here it's Seeky. Is it though? Is it though? No? I don't think it is actually. I don't think this. Oh my god. You silly, silly guy. Can you tell me exactly what AI this is using here in this file? What if I'm not? Oh, I'm not using the AI in the video file. That's right. That's right. I'm just using 11 Labs. Ha, that was funny. That was funny. I use DeepSeek in order to make the tweets, and the tweets are what the videos are made off of. Okay. Ha, that was funny, dude. That was funny. Um, me now is how do we track which version? Done. That's the question. It's actually a little tricky. How do I trip art? I need to make it clear about it. So, video creation with DeepSeek. Let's say we're done with this one. Done. Okay, so let's move to the next one. And which one was that? That was the 138. Okay, let's go here and say rename to done. So I've got a bunch of these, dude. So 59, this is only gonna be 59. Let's go ahead and try this one. So I'm just gonna do all of these right now, actually, because I love this video agent and I just want to get them all done right now. So let's just do that. DeepSeek for this video agent. The DeepSeek is creating the tweets here. And then we're using 11 Labs here in order to make the vids. So I'm just gonna run that now. And that's making the videos as we speak. As you can see here, that's a new one.
All the code you need for AI-powered Solana trading is on my GitHub. Just go to mv.com, get the roadmap, and you'll have access to 10 plus powerful trading agents. It's all free, so go fork the repo and get started. Consistent effort every day is the path to greatness. Don't drop the ball. This is the only chance we have.
The only path to greatness is consistency.
Crazy energy, always pushing the limits, gotta love the hustle.
We always pushing the limits.
Debugging issues can be frustrating, but persistence in the right tools will get you through. Stay positive and keep learning.
Deepseek. Okay, so Deepseek is at 96.
Deepseek is at 96% and the competition is fierce. New models dropping every week, getting closer and closer. This is the kind of progress that keeps the AI space.
Delete that one. I'm not gonna post all these, bro.
Automate your trading with the Algo Trade Camp. Lifetime access to the boot camp and inner circle calls every Friday. 90-day money back guarantee. Test it out risk-free. AI is a commodity these days. Cursor makes it super easy to implement. Let's see what we can build with this.
The things we build with it will be the valuable. Will create all the actual value.
Build great trading ideas, test them, and create bots to automate your trading. I've made hundreds of thousands with this framework, and I'll help you master it in 15 days.
I bet I could teach you how to automate your trading in 15 days. All right, let's just keep going through here. Okay, we finished this one. So the AI agent's done with this one. So it made all these videos and it's just making more and more and more. So let's go here and say done here with this one. Done. Okay. And then we'll grab this one, copy path. And we'll go back to the video agent that is using the creation from Deepseek and then using 11 Labs. So let's go ahead and run it, dude. Let's just run it up all day. Why not?
Percent of manual traders lose money. I went from losing to automating my trading with bots. It's not about hype. It's about research, backtesting, and implementing with small size. Success is repeatable if you follow the framework.
Quant is just about testing.
Checking out a GitHub packed with Solana trading AI agents, trading strategy, risk, sentiment, and more. All the code is free at mv.com. Just hit to get started. Wild how much is available for free.
I'm gonna delete that one.
Deepseek claims to save 80% on costs, but the real question is whether it performs as well as the alternatives. Worth digging into before committing.
Is Deepseek worth switching to?
Deepseek v3 and Cursor is making coding easier. AI is becoming a commodity, and tools like this are leveling the playing field. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the best.
Deepseek's and Cursor, I don't know.
Coding while the dog eats everything in sight. Priorities, right? But seriously, get a dog if you don't have one. It's life-changing. Also, stay focused on your dreams and keep grinding.
Or work from home Get a dog.
Building a funding rate arbitrage agent that scans tokens on Hyperliquid for opportunities. If a token's funding rate exceeds 100% yearly, it triggers an AI analysis and voice announcement. Solana tokens are the focus here.
So here we go, automating.
Automating trading with bots can wipe out years of bad financial decisions. The key is testing strategies thoroughly before deploying them live.
One trading bot can change everything. What else we got up here?
AI detects a high funding rate of 14.83% on Fcoin, suggesting a profitable arbitrage opportunity with 85% confidence. Short on Hyperliquid and buy spot elsewhere for gains.
Can find funding rate arbitrages. Dude, this is so powerful, bro, because I can't make these videos. You know, I can talk about it all day, but
Deploying code on Replit. Keep your API keys safe. Use their built-in secret system to encrypt sensitive data.
I don't even use Replit, so.
Deploying on Heroku step by step. Setting up environment variables, pushing to main, and running commands. Hit a snag with instant outputs, but working through it.
Let's go rename here and say for this one. If you're new here, these are AI agents that are creating videos for me.
Discipline feels tough in the moment, but
Don't
leads
even
to
think
growth
about
and
it, bro.
peace in
Just
the
keep
long
going.
run.
Let
Embrace
them
the
find out who
struggle.
it was.
It's
They gonna be
shaping
on
you
you.
into a better version of yourself.
It's all about discipline, though. Doing them like you love it.
Discipline is the key to success. Do what you hate to do, but do it with passion.
Do everything with passion.
Don't fall for plug and play bot scams. Real success comes from building and testing your own strategies. I've shared my entire journey for free on YouTube. If you're ready to take
Don't fall for these plug and play bot scams, dude. Please. Please, please, please. Where'd it go? Oh, I said please. I said please don't fall for these plug and play bots. Man. Dude. People will really be falling for that. Like somebody's gonna give you a get the fuck out of it. Gotta put the work in. Ain't no way sharing their edge with you. Never, dude. Never. They'll never share their edge, I promise. Careful out there. Bots don't do that. Stay away from that, bro. So damn, dude, I got a lot of these. I'm not gonna do this all day. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe I'll do some more later. Let's push through like 20 more. I want to push through 20 more. Yeah. So let's just push through 20 more. Let's go here and video agent here, and this one is now done. So 091622. This one is done now. Rename to be done. And then we might as well keep this going, bro. Why not? Discipline is doing what you hate to do, but do it like you love it. Do it like you love it. Do it like you love it, bro. Do it like you love it. Okay, so let's run it back. So this AI agent goes ahead and uses, what's it called? 11 labs. Yeah, that's right.
10 error analyzing focus.
Okay, so it seems that Deepseek doesn't work every time, low key. So I think that's another catch. So maybe it'll work better through Grok or something.
Discipline is the key to success. Do what you hate, but do it with love, and you'll achieve greatness.
Discipline is the key to everything.
Discipline may not be pleasant, but it leads to a harvest of righteousness and peace. Embrace the hard lessons, they'll make you stronger.
Embrace the hardest lessons. See, like, where do I even come up with this stuff?
Dude, if you're looking to deploy something quick, check out Replit. It gives you a public URL instant.
Replit. Get up out of here, Replit. That's been like 2.
Automate your trading with bots and RBI framework. Research, backtest, implement. One good bot can offset bad financial decisions. Learn to code and build cash flow for life.
So,
Coding Code Crusader. No idea what Crusader is, but let's keep coding. Don't fall for the hype and false promises. Building a successful automated trading system takes time, effort, and a... Dude, we're always locked and loaded. Time to get cracking on this Deepseek thing.
we're always locked. Of course, I'm using Deepseek.
Enter trading strategies or YouTube links for AI analysis and backtesting. The AI builds, debugs, and sends back the code so you can see past performance. Keep it simple and effective.
So,
Fcoin has a high funding rate of 34.7% annual, suggesting potential for a reversal.
the F is for fart.
Figured out the bug after some panic and persistence. Sometimes it's tedious, but making...
I panicked.
Finally got the output running, but it's still flickering. Thought it would backtest locally like before. Gonna grab the latest updates and try again. Every problem is a step closer to the solution.
Every problem is a step closer to the solution. I'm a crusader, bro. I don't even know what that means.
Crunch the numbers and see what it takes.
Just look at the numbers, bro.
Building profitable trading bots isn't easy, but with the right approach, it's very doable. My RBI framework ensures you only run bots with proven strategies. No more throwing money at random bots online.
Building profitable trading bots is not
Building AI
easy.
agents to automate this process, but need to carefully model the economics to make it worthwhile. Automates voice alerts for high potential opportunities.
That was a weak one. That was a weakie.
Always feel that you count and have worth no matter what others say.
You count, bro.
Are rare and short-lived.
Nice, dude. That was a good one. That was a great one, bro.
Don't be ashamed of who you are. Your life has ultimate significance.
Who you are. I'm just gonna keep pushing, dude. I'm just gonna finish this. Let's go ahead and get this next one in here. Damn, we got a lot here, but these are all really good and they're getting my mind right all day. Maybe I won't do all these right now, but I want to get to coding a bit, so let me go ahead and get, 10 more, 20 more, I don't know. Let me get them all in here. Yeah, let's do that. So it would be in the tweets folder here. Tweets. Okay, this one's done. Rename to be done. So done. Actually done up to Jan 26 video. I did not do Jan 27 or 28 yet. Also only did 5. So really no more before Jan 22. So you can see there's unlimited. I can make unlimited videos because I'm here for so long. It's really crazy, dude. We're really stepping on the gas these days, B. We're really stepping on the gas.
We must keep moving. We must keep going. If you can't fly, run. If you can't run, walk. If you can't walk, crawl. But by all means, keep moving.
Nick's been here for years, dude. He been trying to get my attention for years. You got my attention, B. How you doing, bro? I'm glad you're still locking in. He been here. He been glazing me for years. I love it, dude. I love it. I love it, bro. People got all types of things in their minds, dude. You gotta remember where I come from, dude. I didn't start any of this until I was retired. So don't compare myself to you because we're not the same. We're not even close to the same. He says no successful trader cares about selling training courses because most traders are greedy mofos that just want to keep running up the bag. I already got the bag, dude. I've always been a team player. I've always been the leader of the team. So this is just me. If you're a pawn and just want to get yourself off, yeah, of course, you would never share this stuff with anybody. Of course, I get it. And that's why I'm here. That's why I'm here, dude. God or whoever the higher power is, they put me here because I'm the only one autistic enough to actually share this stuff. I leak my edge every day. And I get fools like Nick that have been literally glazing me for 3 years. Literally here for 3 years, dude. He been here for 3 years, watching every video. Just to try to take me down. But that's okay. I'm going to keep going. Much love to you, 777. I can't come back to the chat, unfortunately. Every time I come back, it's down bad. He probably got licked today. He's been around here for 3 years, dude. I seen him. I seen him in the comments before we even had streams, dude. So, much love to you. I don't know why you're still here, dude. You love me, and I love you too. If you're not giving value to the world, please do not talk to me. Nobody, please don't talk to me. Don't talk to me if you're not pushing value, bro. Please don't talk to me. If you're not giving me in the chat value, don't say a word. Don't say a word. Because someday I won't show up. I promise you. I promise you I won't show up, dude. I promise you, dude. I'm going to fucking out to make this shorter for y'all. Fuck Nick, dude. Nick's been here for 3 years on my dick. And he's subscribed. It's a subscriber chat only. Private chat only, bro. Bro, do you see how much value I give to this world, dude? It's all free. It's free. Dumb motherfuckers like Nick. It's like I built this for everybody in the world for free, dude. Nick ain't giving nobody nothing, no value in this world, dude. Come on, B. Come at me, please. Give value first, please. If you're gonna come at me, please give value to somebody. Give them a smile at least. Stop being a little dude that walks around all day, doesn't look at anybody except his phone, dude. Look up, bro. Look up. Pick your chin up, dog. Pick your chin up and say hello. Say hello to the person that you're standing next to. Stop being a little loner, dude. Come on, Nick. This is your only communication of the day. That's why I gotta give it to you. Send some love. Give some value to this world. This shit I've done in the 4 years. There's some people out there me for a place that they can meet others, dude. You see this dude at 60 can't. I do have this bag down it to show. I believe if I dude in this world of trading and this map ever out to the world ever. I know you know me. I don't anybody like you. This is your don't listen to anybody life. All free though, bro.
Stay focused on your goals on a relevant moment journey.
You do for being here for 3 hours to try to pull. Okay, 7. Oh, he's over there too. Boy. Oh, 7 left. They're on the 7th. Goodbye. 7. Thank you, Jab. Well, 777, dude. So this is all everything I show here, dude. Is going in the GitHub for free. So if you don't fuck with me, you don't fuck with me. That's fine. It is what it is. I'm gonna keep pushing, dude. I've literally put 15 agents here for free. You always sound high AF, man. Because I'm locked, bro. Because I'm locked. I'm in a deep meditative state every time I'm here, dude. Of course. You know I got the sounds in my ears to keep me chill, relaxed. I got people in the chat always trying to take me down. I gotta stay relaxed. I gotta stay chill. Oh man. I'm just gonna do this shit on my own. Fuck that. I'm just kidding, dude. I know that I count the 777s, dude. The 777s tell me there's good, like people enjoy this stuff, but then I look over and it's, you know, negativity, and I know I shouldn't even respond to it. It's just Nick. I've seen Nick for so many years. He's been on my dick for so many years. So see negativity out of him. It's like, damn, bro. All right. I feel you. I feel you, bro. Okay, it looks like this one's done as well, actually. Cool. So we got all the videos done. Short, concise videos for the rest of the world that doesn't want to lock in for 7 hours. I'm gonna do this each week. I'm gonna show you guys everything. I'm gonna show you everything all the time. I want to be completely transparent. Everything, dude. You get all the code. You get lit. Ain't nobody have an AI agent that builds videos for you except Moondive, and he gives it away for free. So yeah, much love to you, dude.
AI agents for Solana trading. Access code at envy.com. GitHub has 10 plus agents for strategies, risk, sentiment, and more. Build your own trading bot with this powerful.
I don't like that one.
AI funding rate analyst identifies profitable arbitrage opportunities on Hyperliquid.
Looks for profitable arbitrages.
Analyzes with AI to identify best arbitrage plays.
This AI arbitrage agent is slick.
Automating your trading can be life-changing. Learn the RBI framework, research strategies, backtest them, and implement the winners. Step up and join the Algo Trade Camp to master automated trading in 15 days.
Every secret is trapped.
Building an AI agent to automate this strategy. Still working out the details to ensure it's profitable despite the challenges. Open to feedback and ideas from the community. Calculating break-even and desired profit is key.
I don't like that one.
You know, it's something that truly exists in all of us. It's very simple.
Coding and thinking about
This is what I believe.
Got to keep that whiteboard
And
updated and listen to what others
I'm willing
are
to
talking
die
about.
for it. Yeah. Period.
Gotta keep whiteboarding and be a good coder.
Coding Crusader doesn't know what Crusader is, just focusing on the work.
Crusader.
Coding skills are a great equalizer. Anyone can build automated trading systems and create sustainable cash flow. Just start small, test thoroughly, and keep refining your approach.
Code is a great equalizer.
Don't be discouraged by the difficulty of discipline. The rewards of perseverance and self-improvement are immeasurable. Keep pushing forward.
Discipline is so worth it, dude.
Don't download random bots, build your own. I have over 120 hours of free tutorials to teach you step by step how to automate your trading the right way.
Please don't download random trading bots.
Discipline is key to success, but it's not always easy. Embracing the struggle can lead to a harvest of righteousness and peace.
Discipline is not easy, dude.
Don't get discouraged by early failures. With the right framework, algo trading success is very much possible, even for solo traders working from their bedrooms. The key is disciplined testing and Don't let anyone make you feel like you're nobody. Always believe in your own worth and dignity. MLK Jr. had it right.
You deserve it all, bro.
First lab, the debug agent cooked up some heat. Time to add more agents for every bug and keep refining the process. Stay focused. The code won't write itself.
Debugging agent is cooking.
Focus is key to unlocking your potential, especially when refining code and pushing through the messy parts.
Damn, I deleted it. Oh, man. Focus is the key to everything. I don't know how to spell success.
Forget about gamble trading. I'll show you how to build a provable edge with my RBI framework. Research, backtest.
Stop gamble trading. I like that, dude.
Front end's throwing errors, but the back end seems to be working fine. Logs show progress, but the output files are missing. Got to figure out why it's not syncing up.
So many errors.
Funding agent scans Hyperliquid for high funding opportunities.
Funding agent scans, hyper liquid for arbs.
Funding arbitrage agent flags a 23.65% annualized funding rate on Trump, presenting a high confidence arbitrage play. Short hyperliquid and buy spot elsewhere to capitalize on the opportunity. Funding arbitrage can be tricky.
Funding arbitrage, it can be tricky.
Funding rate arbitrage can be tricky.
All right, we just said that one.
Funding rate arbitrage on Solana can be profitable, but watch out for slippage and fees.
When doing funding rate arbitrage, you have to watch out for slippage and fees.
Funding rates can indicate market conditions.
Funding rates are a nice little secret to watching market conditions.
Funding rates to break even, let alone profit.
Let's delete that one.
Getting started is easy. Just visit mv.com to access the roadmap and GitHub resources. Fork the repo to have full access to the code and customize it to your needs. This is a powerful system that can help take your Solana trading to the next. Giving up at the first sign of struggle is a surefire way to fail. With discipline and commitment, you can overcome any obstacle.
Please don't give up, bro. Please don't give up. Never give up.
Goal is to maximize returns by capitalizing on high funding rates across crypto markets. Got the web view up, but the machine learning flickers when testing strategies. Not sure if it's a server issue or something else. Grabbing liquidation data and open close volume data. It takes a bit of running. All the code is on star and grandfather consts upon the work at hand. The sun's rays do not burn.
Oh, that's where it's getting it from. I was like, I don't say those words. I don't even know.
Seek to save 80%. If $500 billion agents, if it's better step on the gas because already this up every week.
I feel like this is enough, dude. I've done a lot.
$500 billion is flowing into AI development, and it's wild to see how much it's changing the game. Learning to code feels like unlocking a cheat code for the future.
Learning to code is the future's cheat code.
Having issues with my API right now, but the agents are still running strong. The key is to keep iterating and improving. This is all part of the journey. Stay positive, keep learning, and the rewards will come.
Just iterate to success, man. This one doesn't even have the name right, so just keep iterating, bro.
I built a trading bot that made me hundreds of thousands. Now I'm sharing my exact blueprint to help others automate their trading in 15 days. No coding experience required. I'll teach you step by step. I could automate trading bots and make a solid living, but the key is to never run someone else's bot. I lost 10K on my first bot because you can't trust what you download. Build your own or risk losing everything.
So let's go here, say I lost 10K on my first bot.
I just rebuilt the trading strategies of the greatest trader of all time, Jim Simons, and built bots that can automate your trading for life.
I just copied Jim Simons.
I lost 10K on my first bot because I didn't test it properly. Now I use my RBI framework, research, backtest, implement, to ensure only profit.
I lost 10K on my first trading bot.
I'm just a regular dude who figured out a better way to approach the market, my trading, and it's changed my life. I've got over 200 hours of free tutorials on YouTube. Check them out to.
Just a regular dude with better approach to trading than
I'm
me.
just a regular guy who figured out a better way to trade. No fancy office, no employees, just me, my computer, and a passion for automating trading. Let me share my blueprint with you at the Algo Trade Camp. I'm not here to hype anything up, just to transparently share what's worked for me. I've made hundreds of thousands with my bot framework, and I'm going to show
010 error analyzing focus.
I started with 10K and lost it all on my first bot. That's when I created the RBI framework. Now, I only run bots that are proven to work. Automate your trading, but never run
Why
some
would 10K and lost it all?
with zero coding knowledge bot in my bedroom. I automate trading. Some coding is
Seven.
I've
Look
been
how much
using trading
more
bots to
training I
manage
have
my personal
done by simply
portfolio
starting
for
at
years.
4.
It's allowed
So
me
now
to
you
take
do
the emotion
that,
out of
and
trading
as the
and
years
build
go on,
consistent profits.
the
If
separation
you're ready to
that you
automate your
have with your
trading, join my
competitors
Algo
and your
Trade
peers
Camp and I'll
just
show you
grows
my
larger
exact
and larger and
blueprint.
larger and larger and larger. And by year 5 or 6, doesn't matter
I built a free
what kind of work
roadmap
they
for
do in the
automated
summer,
trading
they're
that
never
includes
going to catch up.
research, backtesting, and strategy implementation. It's designed to save you time and money by helping you avoid broken strategies. Check it out at. If you can constantly research new trading ideas, implement successful ones into bots, you're on your way to becoming a profitable algo trader. It's all about the profit. If you can master the art of building, testing, and deploying profitable trading bots, you could potentially create wealth. Learn from the best, like Jim.
You are good.
If you can research, backtest, and implement trading ideas into a bot, you're on your way to becoming a profitable algo trader. It's not about hype. It's about building systems that work over time. If you can research trading ideas, backtest them with small size, success in algo trading. It's repeatable and proven. Just follow the RBI framework. Research, backtest, implement. If you don't know how to code, don't worry. I didn't either. I'll teach you step by step in the next 15 days. I built a bot that made me hundreds of thousands, and I'm just a guy in a bedroom with a
whiteboard behind me.
If you're an ambitious crypto trader, let me show you how to build a trading bot that trades for you for life. No emotions, no staring at charts, just consistent profits.
Only for our ambitious crypto traders here.
If you're new to coding, don't worry. I started from 0 too. I'll teach you step by step. Automate your trading now, not later. It's about building cash flow for life, not chasing quick wins.
It's for idea, guys.
If you're serious about algo trading, join the Algo Trade Camp. I'll teach you how to automate your strategy in 15 days, even if you don't know how to code. No. If you're serious about automating your trading, the 15-day Algo Trade Camp is for you. It's not about making it complicated, it's about simplifying it so anyone can do it. If you're serious about trading, stop gambling and start automating. Learn to code, test your ideas, and deploy bots with small sizes. It's not easy. If you're tired of losing money trading due to emotions, this is for you. I've built a trading bot framework that's helped me automate.
Stop losing money due to emotions.
If you're tired of staring at charts and letting emotions mess up your trading, the Algo Trade Camp might be for you. It's a 15-day program to help you automate your trading with proven bots and real data. VIP tickets get lifetime access and weekly Zoom calls. Imagine having everything you ever wanted and capturing that feeling. That's the easiest way to manifest what you want. It's all about the vision and creating your own environment.
Imagine having everything you ever wanted. Capture that feeling.
Input books and read more books to keep learning.
Just keep reading, bro.
Issues with API and server stability. Need to add monitoring, rate limiting, and handle large data sets to prevent crashes.
Get that one out of here. I'm just gonna do them all, dude. Fuck it. Just because homeboy said that no algo trader cares about sharing this shit, I'm just gonna make sure to keep him fucking sharing it, dude. Y'all motivate me, so that's why I give attention to trolls, dude, because y'all motivate me. I've been told my entire life I can't do this, I can't do that. You're not welcome here. Your kind's not gonna make it here. Fuck all y'all. I'm here for me, dude. I'm trying to show everything along the way. Because I know there's another kid out there. I know there's another person out there, another outsider like me, dude. An outsider like me that's not supposed to be able to do this or that. Oh, this is just for Wall Street. Oh, just the white boys up at Wall Street, dude. Oh, it's a boys only club, dude. I don't care. That makes me excited. That makes me so excited. You know what drives me, dude. So keep them coming. I like the 777s. I do. I need them, bro. But I also need these little trolls in the chat. I love them. So thank you.
Helps determine.
It's always best when they're subscribers, too. They've been glazing me, asking me questions and stuff. I don't respond to the questions, and then they start hating. I love it. It's because it's the same people that were telling me I couldn't do this, that, or whatever. I'm not welcome around here. You not, even to this day, I'm not welcome where I live, dude. So fuck all y'all. I'll step on the gas, man. I'll show all the people that really are locked in with me, dude. If you really here locked in, you'll throw the 777 every time you see me, because you know it's hard, bro. I love it. I'm a competitor, dude. I need competition. I need people telling me I can't do this or that. I love it. I'll keep coming back. Keep dropping the heat. Keep dropping the 777s. Keep dropping the negativity too, because I'll ride with it all day. Come on, B. Let's go. What else don't I do? What else am I wrong with, dog? What else can't I do, dude? Please tell me. Because if you tell me I can't do it, I'll just do it. That's what I do. That's all I do, dude. That's all I do. I just go the other way. I've always done that. Y'all go one way. You want to trade by hand? Me? Nope.
Funding rate, hold duration, and profitability.
All right, I'm going to get rid of that one. So I'm doing every single one of these. And I was going to stop. I was going to stop doing these today. I was going to be done. But I'm just going to make sure. I want more of y'all. I want more of y'all. More people to tell me I can't do something, or I'm doing it wrong, or I'm doing it for the wrong reasons, or whatever, dude. I don't care.
High fees and slippage mean you need insane.
Let's get it, dude. Let's get it. Let's get it, dude. Come on. I'm gonna spend the next 10 hours doing this. I'm just gonna lean into anything y'all don't like. I'm gonna do more of. I'm talking about the trolls. I know most of you are on the 777. Love to see your name pop up with that 777 next to passing good.
Overheating.
High funding rates are a scary sign.
Offsets.
In order set rates have to be crazy high.
Hourly funding rates matter more than annual. Need to hold long enough to recoup upfront costs.
Are we moving too, dude? We moving.
It looks like this one back to Claw, though.
We moving, bro. I love this game. I love competition. I love watching these people compete. I love watching chat people try to compete with me. But you can't compete, dude. You ain't where I'm at. You're not here, dude. I have 1,300 hours of value that I've given to people for free on YouTube. You, in my chat, dude, talking negative about me? No way. You haven't done anything for other people, so you can't comprehend. You can't comprehend why I lead with love. You can't comprehend that. You don't even know what that means. Lead with love and you can have anything in this world. I truly believe that. And just like you believe in whatever, I can't take your beliefs away from you. You can't take my beliefs
Jim
away
didn't
from
just become a billionaire. He changed bloodlines and created generational wealth. He returned over $1 billion in profits and gave $4 billion to charities. Imagine having even a fraction.
He changed bloodlines, bro.
Jim Simons, the founder of Renaissance, built trading bots that outperformed humans and amassed a $31 billion net worth. Automated trading is the future, and it's not just for Wall Street giants. Anyone can learn to automate their trading with the right system. Jim Simons, the legendary trader, built his wealth through automated trading. His story shows the power of systematic, data-driven investing. Learn from the best and create your own generational wealth. Jim Simons and Renaissance Technologies proved that automated trading can generate massive wealth. Their systematic approach to finding and exploiting market patterns is something we can all learn from and apply. Jim Simons built a $31 billion fortune through automated trading, proving that robots can spot market patterns.
Damn near anything we could think is real.
On research and testing,
And if it's not, we could create it. See, that's the gift we were given. To evolve, advance, create. I create my own world.
Jim Simons built a $31 billion.
Really glazing Jim over here every day, huh? Okay, I see you. Locking in, yes. I have to.
Jim Simons built generational wealth with automated trading. He found patterns in the market that humans couldn't see and executed his system for years. If you're serious about trading, automation is the way to go.
By finding patterns in the market.
Jim Simons is the greatest trader of all time. He built trading bots that traded directly. $31 billion fortune. The secret to his success?
Jim Simons is the greatest trader of all time.
Jim Simons made billions with automated trading by finding patterns humans couldn't see. He tested, refined, and executed strategies for years. If you're serious about trading, automation is the way to go.
So I think I'll do this once a week, maybe? I don't know.
Just added a debugging agent to the pipeline. It scans back tests, fixes technical issues, and keeps the strategy intact. Clean code, no mess. Progress feels good. Just added Deepseek to the Discord and updated the agents to use it. Still figuring out how to prove it's actually using Deepseek and not falling back to GPT-4. Lots of testing and tweaking involved.
Unlimited use.
Just freestyled an email and now debating what to call it. Might be too early to send, but hey, worldwide audience means someone's awake. Scheduling it for later today.
I be freestyling all my emails.
Just launched the front end and it's working. Playing around with Fastapy to tweak the wording and make it even better. Proud of the progress and great.
Delete that one. I wonder how many credits I got left.
Just updated the code base to include Deepseek AI integration. Still early days, but excited to see how it fits into the funding agent setup.
Deepseek AI is now in the code base.
Launching a new Lambda instance to run billions of strategies. Discipline is key. Doing what you hate like you love it. All the code is on GitHub and the roadmap is live on mv.com. Free.
Lambda really changed the game for it.
Learn Python, build a trading bot, and use AI with a free roadmap at mood.com. It's got everything you need: GitHub, Discord, and a little surprise for you. Under promise, over deliver, always.
Always, dude. I love my AI, bro.
Learning to code and automate trading changed my life. I went from losing 10K to building bots that made hundreds of thousands.
Learning to code changed my life.
Learning to code in a second language is no joke. If you're out here coding in English and it's not your first language, you're already ahead of the game. Respect. Lifetime access to the bootcamp includes inner circle calls every Friday on Zoom with replays. The VIP option is where the real magic happens. Roll up your sleeves and dive deep into automated. Long hold periods of 1 to 2 weeks often needed to be profitable.
Yeah, I don't know about that one, big guy. Don't know if I'm going to be spewing that one out, dog. I'm not going to say it all. I'm just going to be it all, and then I'll show you the results at the end of the day. How about that? I'm not talking to nobody never again. Stop it. Don't talk to me.
Look for sustained 300% plus annual funding.
If you're not in the members area, don't talk to me. If it's not your best idea ever, don't put it in the chat. It's embarrassing, bro. It's embarrassing. It's embarrassing when y'all put stupid shit up in the chat, dude. All these people are watching you guys be dumb. It's not everybody. It's only 1% of you. I'm talking to 1%, 99% of you, and it's definitely not you, dude. It's definitely not you. But I'm talking about the compadres around here that be embarrassing themselves every day. Come on, you gotta give as much as me before you can talk to me. Okay? If you say anything negative about me, I better see your track record, dude. I better see 1,300 hours of videos. I better see so much code. I put 1 million lines of code for free on GitHub.
Look for sustained 300% plus annual funding.
Don't talk to me. Your best idea only. Hey, if you're in the boot camp, you can talk shit to me. Because I know that's out of competition. I like it. I like it, bro. I like it, dude.
Looks for rates above set threshold, uses AI to evaluate.
Evaluates for me all day. All day, all day.
Loops through all tokens, checks if funding rate exceeds 100% yearly threshold.
Checks all the funding rates. I lost 10K in 30 days when I started. I was trading bad strategy. I was trading an unprofitable strategy. A bot couldn't even. I love coding. I love coding because I can build anything I want now.
Machine learning is about testing what works and tossing what doesn't. No fancy equations, just data and results.
Be a data dog.
Makes voice announcements when significant opportunities detected.
MLK Jr. needs to be studied more.
Monitoring these can uncover interesting trading dynamics.
So all of these videos were created by AI, dude. So I got an AI agent and it's all here free on GitHub. So you can go to GitHub here, and after you hit the star to save it and fork to copy all the code, you can go to the source here. And under agents, I have this video agent. Actually, first I use the tweet agent to give it, I give it a bunch of ideas, and then it makes a bunch of tweets, like hundreds of tweets. And then I don't really care about tweets. They're cool, whatever. But the video agent here is going ahead and saying the tweets. So it's like making the words for the video, and then it outputs the video. It uses 11 labs. All the code's here, so I don't need to explain it. I'm just going through and renaming them a little bit so they can be easier to post. And like, I don't want it to be all AI, you know?
Most people just want to gamble, but if you're committed to automating your trading, you need a provable edge. My Algo Trade Camp simplifies it so anyone can.
Most traders just want to gamble, to be honest.
Most people treat trading like gambling, but if you're committed, automation can change your life. Learn to build bots, test.
Most people treat trading like gambling.
Most traders lose money due to emotions and poor judgment. But with automated trading bots, you can remove human error and trade with precision. My first bot lost 10K in 30 days. That's when I created the RBI framework. Research strategies, backtest them, and implement with small size. It's how I turn things around. Never run someone else's bot. Test. My goal is to make automating your trading simple so you can do it. I've used this framework to build bots that have made me hundreds of thousands of dollars. If you're ambitious and persistent, I can help you. My goal is to never run someone else's bot. It's a scam. I learned the hard way, losing 10K on my first bot.
Someone else's bot. That's a scam.
Never run someone else's bot. I lost 10K on my first try. Never run someone else's trading bot. It's the #1 rule. I lost 10K on my.
Dude, there's so many videos we made today. Please never run someone else's trading bot.
New funding arbitrage agent built to systematically scan tokens.
This is fire, bro. This AI agent just built so many videos for me, dude.
So don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. And most important, have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow already know what you truly want to become. Everything else is secondary.
Open
Stay
source
hungry.
tools are shaking things
Stay
up.
foolish.
96% cheaper than the big players. Competition is heating up, and it's exciting to see innovation thrive in this space.
I can't believe Deepseek AI is open source, dude.
Nobody's giving you a profitable trading bot, but you can learn how to build one for free. Check out the roadmap at mood.com for coding, strategies, and AI tips. Do your own research.
No one's giving you a profitable trading bot, sorry.
One good trading bot can erase years of bad financial decisions. It's not magic. It's about building, testing, and refining your ideas. Success in algo trading is repeatable if you follow the right framework. Opportunities can be seen as chances for improvement, not just hardships.
I didn't like that one that much. I didn't like that one that much. So I'm just going to keep it moving, dude. And shout out to the homeboy in the chat that's trying to drag me earlier. So I'm just going to make every single one of them today.
Optimizing for fun is the move. Added a rotating moon animation to the terminal to gamify the process.
Just optimize.
It's the little things that keep the
your
vibe
life
alive and the work
for
enjoyable.
fun.
Opportunities for improvement rather than just hardships. Optimizing with AI tools is slow but worth it. Using chat for testing is fire, and having multiple models to work with is a solid move.
I don't like this
Debugging
one
is
either,
part of the
actually.
process, but it's all coming together. Our thoughts shape who we are. Discipline may be painful, but it leads to righteousness and peace. Embrace the lessons.
Our thoughts are who we are.
Overcoming challenges through discipline may be painful in the moment, but it's an investment in our long-term growth and well-being.
I love overcoming challenges. I love it, dude. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm so grateful to be here, dude. That's why I like coding, dude. It's just challenge after challenge after challenge after challenge after challenge. The hoes, they stop.
Private data folder is hidden to avoid clutter in the ID. Not trying to hide anything, just keeping things tidy for AI processing.
I hide my private data.
Prompts AI to analyze, then speaks the response.
Yeah, I don't even know who the fuck that was. That wasn't me, though. Didn't sound like me. Come on, 11. You outputted 800 videos for damn near nothing, and you got one wrong.
Python script provides customizable calculator.
You must know Python in 2025.
RBI agent disappeared for a hot second and panic ensued. Turns out it was just hiding in plain sight. Gotta rewind the game film and stay sharp, back to building greatness. Real-time terminal output synced with the front end could make the experience more seamless.
I don't like that one, dude. What's up with you, though, bro? 777, much love to you. Thank you for throwing the 777s today. Thank you for being here today. Thank you for being in good vibes. I hope that you get everything you ever want in this life, and I believe in you, bro. I do. I really believe in you.
Research and backtest trading ideas to build profitable algo trading bots. I've shared my journey and strategies on YouTube. Check them out to see if they can help you automate your trading too. Researching great trading ideas, backtesting them, and implementing with small size is the key to successful algo trading. It's worked for me, and I know it can work for you too.
This is the key for successful algo trading. Rest at the end. 3 million trading strategies. AI agents for trading is what I'm focused on for 2025. Deepseek changed the cost of AI forever.
Running Deepseek R1 locally with Llama is straightforward. Start with smaller models to test, then scale up if your GPU can handle it. Bigger models like 32B and 70B need serious hardware. Running Deepseek R1 on two M2 Ultras is wild. It's fast, efficient, and opens up new possibilities for AI at home. The competitive environment is driving innovation faster than ever.
Run on 2 stacked Mac Minis. I'm thinking about that actually.
Running into a weird bug where the front end instantly errors out, but the back end logs look clean.
Damn, dude, this is a lot of videos. I don't want debugging or bug ones on there. It's stupid.
Server crashed due to memory overflow from a massive CSV file. AI suggested adding memory monitoring and rate limiting to.
I be crashing servers, B.
Sends voice announcements when profitable funding rates detected.
AI agents for voice are a vibe.
Shout out to anyone learning Spanish or any language while juggling coding. It's hard, but you're doing the work. Keep going. You're crushing it.
Shout out to anyone learning coding.
Server issues suck, but AI's got your back. Memory overflow, add monitoring and rate limiting should fix that right up. Simon's automated trading system allowed him to become a multi-billionaire and give away $4 billion to charities. The key is to research, backtest, and implement profitable trading strategies into bots.
That's crazy. He gave away $4 billion, dude.
Sniping opportunities exist but require extreme funding rates.
I'm not going to put that one in. It didn't make sense. We're almost done here, but you know, I got a big day ahead of me, so they say to Moondev, like, why are you sharing
So I
on
kind of
this?
want to build out this funding. So the one thing I need to figure out here is in Hyperliquid how to get the funding rate. So I got the funding agent here, and what I want to do here is update her. Let's go ahead and say, please push all and commit all, and the commit message will be added Deepseek AI into the, that's all. Spent $7 setting up Lambda today. Wild. Testing new AI in Discord now. Building something fresh, debugging as I go. Gotta stay sharp and keep pushing. Spent $22 so far on AI tools for strategy testing. Making progress but still ironing out kinks in the code. Every line written brings us closer to the goal. Stay focused and keep.
So Lambda Labs is where I spend most of my money.
Spent hours down a rabbit hole trying to fix the front end, but honestly, I'm not a front end dev. Time to focus on what matters, building and
I love these coding rabbit holes, dude.
Stop losing money due to emotions and poor judgment. Let me teach you my RBI framework. Research, backtest, implement.
Please stop losing money to emotions.
Stop struggling with emotions and losing money. Let's build a trading bot that works for you 24/7. Join the Algo Trade Camp and.
All right, so this AI agent built like 100 videos for me. We'll count them later, but.
Streamlined the RBII agent by removing assistance-related code and integrating Deepseek's chat API directly. Simplified the process to focus on research and backtesting trading strategies.
So Deepseek changed my RBI agent forever.
Success in algo trading comes down to 3 steps. Research great trading ideas, backtest them, and implement with small size. If you do this consistently, it's hard not to make money. One good bot can change everything.
Let's just implement with small size here.
Success is small efforts repeated daily. Stay focused, stay in the gym, and optimize for fun. Things move fast, but don't miss the joy in the process.
Repeated daily. I love this, dude. I don't care how long it takes because I'm here every day.
Success isn't just possible, it's repeatable with the right framework. My RBI method, research, backtest, implement, helps automate trading strategies. No fancy office, just me, my computer, and a whiteboard.
Not going to have this Haruku trash.
You know, it's something that truly exists in all of us. It's very simple. This is what I believe, and I'm willing to die for it. Yeah. Period.
I believe code is a great equalizer. I believe if I show every single fucking piece of code and every single thought I have, every single motherfucking day, I believe I will change this world.
Text highlights
I believe
the
if you
speaker's
learn how to
enthusiasm
code,
for coding and programming.
You'll build anything for the rest of your life. I believe code is the great equalizer. And I'm willing to die for it.
Text summarizes a conversation about various coding and programming topics, including the use of Deepseek evolutionary algorithms.
Deepseek with evolutionary algos for trading is game over. Yeah, dude, it's game over.
The ability to code is a great equalizer. It allows you to build automated trading systems that can generate cash flow for generations. It's a powerful skill to have even as a side hustle.
Equalizer. I'm going to just keep saying it, dude. Code is a great equalizer. AI makes it easier.
The agent analyzes funding rates and suggests arbitrage trades when the funding rate is high and stable, indicating a profitable opportunity.
Analyze arbitrage opportunities. Okay.
The agent's latest analysis found a 17.418% annualized funding rate on Fcoin, suggesting
Delete that one because Fcoin. What is Fcoin, dude? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
the AI agents are handling research, backtesting, and debugging for multiple strategies. It's a grind, but discipline is key. Doing what you hate like you love it is the secret to success. The AI agents can learn trading strategies from links, create backtests, and show if they're profitable. It's all about making the process interactive and fun for the user while keeping it functional. The AI agents for Solana trading provide a comprehensive toolkit for automating and optimizing trading strategies.
AI agents.
The GitHub repo contains 10 plus agents covering various aspects of the trading. The Algo Trade Camp offers a 15-day blueprint to automate your trading. With a 90-day money-back guarantee, you can explore the framework, connect with traders, and see if it works for you. No risk, just results.
In 15 days, I can help you automate your trading, dude.
The back end is working, but the front end is throwing errors. Timeouts are killing me, but we'll figure it out. Got to keep running it back until it clicks.
Gee, at least the back end's working.
The best traders on Wall Street use automated systems to dominate the markets. Jim Simons turned $100 million into $31 billion with his trading bots. I'll show you how.
The best traders use automated systems.
The Birdeye API response structure changed, causing issues with fetching wallet tokens. Added more debug prints to diagnose the problem. Optimizing to filter out dust tokens and only process meaningful balances.
Kinda annoying. This AI agent makes me so much more productive. Deepseek increased my productivity by 10x. I'm gonna delete this one. These are all AI outputted.
The funding rate arbitrage agent is looking for opportunities to profit from the difference between hyperliquid and spot token prices.
Funding rate arbitrage all day.
The funding rate calculator can help you.
That's all you got with that one, big dog? Okay, okay.
The funding rate space is rapidly evolving. Lots of opportunities, but also risks to navigate. Taking a measured approach, leveraging technology to...
Not enough traders to watch the funding rate, in my opinion.
The high annualized funding rate of 14.89% presents a profitable arbitrage opportunity. Confidence, 90% funding arbitrage agent making that. The Hyperliquid docs have the info you need to get started.
I built the best Hyperliquid docs, let's be honest.
The key is finding a funding rate that works.
Let's be honest, dude. Let's be honest. I built the Hyperliquid documentation. I put the pieces together.
The key is to research profitable strategies, backtest them, then implement with small size. This RBI framework is the secret to successful algo trading.
Just research.
The key to automated trading? Never run someone else's bot. You need to understand and build your own system. That's how you avoid.
Never run someone else's bot.
The key to making the most of these AI agents is diligent monitoring and optimization. The high cost of running the Lambda instances highlight the importance of efficiency and discipline in this process.
Every day,
with the right approach, these tools can unlock new levels. The key to successful algo trading is to never run someone else's bot. Build your own using proven strategies and techniques. It's the only way to ensure sustainable profits.
This is the only way, dude.
The key to successful automated trading is building great trading ideas, testing them thoroughly, and then deploying them in small size. It's a proven framework that's made me hundreds of thousands. Learn it in my 15-day. The package agent is live, and its job is to ensure that the right indicator packages, not backtesting.lib. It's all about precision and avoiding trashy stuff. Let's keep swimming.
So I added that and it changed everything. I remember that. This is so good to review my game film, dude.
The power of imagination is wild. What you can imagine, you can create. It's all about vision and persistence. God's power works within us to achieve more than we can even dream.
What you can imagine, you can create.
The RBI framework is simple. Research strategies, backtest them, and implement with small size. If it worked in the past, it might work again. This is how I built profitable trading bots from my bedroom. The RBI agent now fetches YouTube transcripts, analyzes trading strategies, and runs backtests. It uses indicators like EMA and SMEA to identify trends and momentum. The reasoner is 4 to 5x cheaper than GBD40, and it's working well for backtesting strategies. Swing trading instructions and entry rules look solid, but the backtest takes a while to run.
These agents are actually pretty good at coding trading backtest. Sad, but most traders just wanna gamble.
The separation between you and your competitors grows over time. By year 5 or 6, no matter what they do, they can't catch up. That's why I'm here every day, putting in the work. You can't catch me, and I'll keep pushing no matter what.
Never catch up. By year 5, 6, they'll never catch up.
The strategy flows from front to back, then loops through multiple ideas. Real-time updates make it interactive and efficient. Coding tweaks keep it clean and functional.
I love AI.
The text covers a range of technical topics from Deepseek and cursor settings to evolutionary algorithms and cryptocurrency analysis. The speaker seems to be an experienced developer who is actively working on various projects and seeking input from the community.
He seems to be an experienced.
No, it's what's called machine learning. So you find things that are predictive. You might guess, oh, such and such should be predictive, might be predictive, and you test it out in the computer, and maybe it isn't, maybe it isn't. You test it out on long-term historical data and price data and other things, and then you add to the system this if it works, and if it doesn't, you throw it out. So there aren't elaborate equations, at least not for
Are a secret the exchanges don't want you to know about?
Though, oh God, that's all I did. That's all I did, dude. I could.
What? Some funny bunnies up in here.
Thrifty cloud hosting can save you big time. Upgrade.
The fuck is that? Thrifty cloud. Is that ad or something?
To make it worthwhile, but those spikes
So these AI agents I built here yesterday are I actually built 3 agent flows yesterday. That's crazy. So I'm just like reaping the rewards today, dude. These AI agents made all these videos.
To make this strategy viable, key is finding.
These last few have not been good, but the ones that are good, I'll just keep them.
Yundev's funding arbitrage agent detecting high funding rates and exploiting the arbitrage opportunities automatically. Gotta love that machine learning magic.
I identify as Chinese now. Call me Yundev.
Yundev 777's funding arbitrage agent spots a 21.12% annualized funding rate on F-Coin, signaling a strong bullish arbitrage opportunity. Confidence is 90% for shorting hyperliquid and buying spot. Yundev 777 high funding. You don't need to be a coding expert to automate your trading. Start small, test your strategies, and scale up. The key is consistency and learning from mistakes. Trading by edge you've been missing. You can automate your trading with my proven RBI framework. Research, backtest, implement. No more emotional trading, just consistent profits. Let me show you how in the next 15 days at my Algo Trade Camp. Working on the RBI agent and setting up folders for data and strategies. Deepseek integration is the focus, but no assistance feature.
I love working on this Deepseek agent, dude.
Working on syncing front-end animations with realistic back-end timings. Tweaking
2.0 of 10. Stay focused on your goals, not distractions. Every
trading
minute
bots
spent
aren't
off task
magic,
is a
but they
minute
can
you could have
change
been
your
coding
life.
or trading
I've made
towards your
hundreds of
dreams.
thousands with this framework, and I'm giving it all. Trading bots can automate your portfolio and make you a dominant force in crypto. But it's not as simple as plug and play. I share my RBI framework to build profitable bots in 15 days. No coding experience needed.
So trading bots can make you a dominant force in crypto.
Trading bots can be a game changer for your portfolio, but beware of scams. Do your research, test strategies thoroughly, and build your own bots to ensure long-term success. Automating your trading is possible, but requires commitment and a systematic approach.
But beware of scams.
Trading bots can change the game. I build bots that manage my portfolio while I sleep. No more staring at charts or losing sleep over. You're ready to step up. I'll show you how to automate your strategy in 15 days. Trading bots can change your game if you do it right. Research, backtest, and implement with small size. It's not about luck, it's about strategy and discipline. Automate your trading and take emotions out of the...
If done right.
Trading bots change my game. No more staring at charts or losing sleep over emotions.
Trading
I built a system that works for me. I'm sharing the exact blueprint in Algo Trade Camp. No Lambos, just real results.
Besides,
trading bots changed the game for me. No more staring at charts all night or losing sleep to liquidation emails. If you're ready to step up, I'll show you your trading and take control.
I love not having to stare at charts all day.
Trading bots don't have to be complicated. I've built a simple framework to help regular people automate their trading. Nope, just a proven system that works. Join the Algo Trade Camp.
Okay, so trading bots don't actually have to be complicated.
Trading bots have helped me manage my portfolio without the stress of emotions. At the Algo Trade, share my exact
most of in trading. By hand, just game.
It's tough, especially when but automating your strategy can change everything. It's about research, backtesting, and implementing with small steps. Success is repeatable if you follow the process.
So every trade is tough.
Turning challenges into opportunities for growth is the mindset. Focus on the work at hand and the results will follow. Much love to those who keep pushing forward.
Into growth.
Typically need 2,000% plus annual to break even in a few hours.
Crazy. The needs to be to arbitrage it.
ByteDance just open source your computer. Updating the AI own model is now key, so leaning on the chat agent for faster results. Gotta keep moving forward every day.
Evo algorithms have helped me make 100 million trading strategies. Think any are profitable?
Watch for sustained spikes over 300% annual.
Simply just wait for sustained spikes.
We play all day. I love it so much. It's all we can do. Just keep trying.
Just keep having fun with it, bro. Just keep having fun. Just keep having fun. If you keep having fun, the AI agents are fun, dude. I love building AI agents.
We're in the game. Let's see what we can do.
We are in the game. We are in the game now.
We're optimizing the loop for research, backtest, and implementation phases. Animations and debug clears ensure a smoother user experience.
Bro. Just keep optimizing, dude.
What if you could have a trading bot that worked for you 24/7? No emotions, no staring at charts, just consistent trading. I've been using bots for years to manage my portfolio, and it's changed everything. What you can imagine, you can create. Big facts. The power of God at work within us is immeasurable.
You can create.
When you say "and" to debug existing backtests, it runs main and processes new ideas from
I don't know what that is, dude, but much love to you. 777, dude. This is fire. This is fire. This is the video agent here. So it's created all these videos for me.
Whisper flow not working? No worries. Upgrade time worth paying for. Keep grinding.
Whisper flow change my life. Type at 150 words per minute.
With the right research, backtesting, and implementation, anyone can become a successful algo trader.
Anyone can algo trade.
Working on a bot.
I don't care how good you are on anything. You don't have discipline. You ain't nobody.
Right. They removed the USD value column, which is
because you give up under the slightest struggle without discipline.
100%.
I mean, discipline is doing what you hate to do, but do it like you love it.
Doing what you hate to do, but do it like you love it. That is a great quote.
Mm-hmm.
And if you can do that, you could be successful in anything.
You normally are.
You 10 error analyzing focus.
Keep stepping on the gas, B.
Working on machine learning models means testing predictive features on historical data. If it works, keep it. If not, toss it. No fancy equations, just results. working on naming conventions for the backtest code outputs, adding DCR for Deepseek Reasoner, and DC for Deeps Chat to keep things clear. Got to make sure the data is clean and nothing sketchy gets uploaded.
Yo, we did it. How many did we make here? So this right here, dude, this is fire, dude. This is fire. This is fire. This is fire.